So what you want to do is use a towel first, where you can adjust the height of the towel to get your back feeling better after getting out of bed in the morning. If you just feel terrible when you get up and you're stiff, then roll up a nice firm towel, you know, as high or low as you want, because you can always adjust it if it's too much or too high. But you want to keep your hips, this part of your body, on the ground. When you roll up a towel or use a tool, you know, you really want your hips touching the ground. You don't want to be rolling like this, okay, with your hips up. So you know, you can start very, very low, right about the SI joint is what they're calling it, but right above your sacrum and your spine and your hip bones. You know, that's where I have this tool, so it's not hurting my hips or anything. And I don't have any chronic pain anymore, but it does take a while to soften up tissues around the spine. And this tool is perfect for that because see, the the protrusions are here and the dent is here. So your spine can go right here. And I put it directly above my hips, right there, right where everybody gets the most pain, right about here. And then I use it for my upper body as well. Well, the whole body, the whole spine. So if I do this, I can tell exactly which side of my spine hurts the most. Oh, right there. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going to roll right over it. I'm going to give it some time to relax where it hurts the most. And that's right at the base of the ribs. You know, a lot of people get really stuck up through here. And then you can move it down or up a little bit, especially if it hurts, you know, a little too much, because you have fragile nerves that come out of your spine as well, and you don't want to put too much pressure on those. You just want to access the pain in a very gentle way. I mean, it's okay to lift your hips up if you're working on your upper back with this tool, and then just go ahead and set them down when you can. And you might not want to use a towel underneath a tool like this. It would be better on a hard floor, so you can roll much easier. But again, this isn't for someone who has a whole lot of tension built up in their sides, because you don't want to release the back but not the sides. So it'd be better to use a rolled up towel first, and that would go all the way across, see? And then with the towel, you can actually turn on your side as well to get rid of the tension that's on your sides, should you have chronic pain and you're here to find out how to get out of that kind of pain, and you're just beginning the process of helping yourself on your own at home. So yeah, a rolled up towel would be just perfect for you. You can also lift your arms up and, you know, really just go to the side maybe with your towel, and then to the other side, and try to relieve the pressure and tension that's on the side of your ribs to your hip in between this area. This will help your lower back quite considerably if you're having chronic pain, but you definitely don't want to use this kind of a tool for that. This is more for advanced balancing out of the tensions that are on both sides of the spine. So once you get some of this tension out over here, then you can switch to something like this, and, you know, as long as you're feeling good enough to begin using this tool, because it's quite aggressive and you want to be very careful with it. So I can use my hands. I'm gripping the tool like this, and I can kind of get to my sides like that. I like that. I just kind of use my knuckles, and it helps my hands get some relief too. Then when I'm doing the upper body, I can access my deltoids, my shoulders. And so, like that, I can kind of get to my shoulder muscles. I mean, you may or may not be able to, depending on the structure of your body. I like it for that reason too. It's great for the muscles underneath your shoulder blades as well. Just above your lower rib cage is your mid back. I feel a lot of tension on my right side. So you can closely observe where the pain is. That's really important. That's the main purpose of this tool, by the way, is to know what side of your spine is giving you problems. You know, where are the tensions in your body? Right along your spine. Mine is mostly on the right here. I mean, I don't feel anything on the left, and I feel it all on the right. So, you know, I must be twisted a little bit, and not mentally. Oh boy. There's so many things that are good for you, including laughter and humor. But yeah, you can unwind your body, you know, when you're getting up in the morning and you just feel terrible. This is a wonderful tool. And if you don't have one of these at home, just roll up a towel, really nice and firm. And the rollers, I don't like the rollers because you can't adjust the height on those. And it's really hard to keep your hips down with them and your shoulders down as well. So unless you're like really flexible already, I don't think the rollers are a good idea. You know, the ones that are straight all the way across. I don't like those. A rolled up towel or this tool is best.